Hey guys, welcome to the trash pad. This is a poster from But I'm a Cheerleader, signed by the director. The Trash King guitar collection. My girlfriend not only is an actor, but a singer-songwriter and a comedian.
Yeah, like why didn't we just get them on the show? Like who are you? You're just squatting.
I'm just the girlfriend, basically. Hi, I'm Jules. This is not my apartment. This is my girlfriend's apartment, the trash pad. This salad dressing that we are going to be eating today is also my girlfriend's recipe because I am a child who does not know how to cook very well as a Gemini. But at the end of the day, I much prefer to just not put in the effort and get a Trader Joe's frozen meal. This is a Caesar-inspired dressing made entirely vegan with a hummus base and capers, a lot of garlic. This one's really garlicky, which I enjoy because I love garlic. Lemon zest as well as juice because I have a little zester in here. Zesting a lemon is so fun. Mustard, olive oil, and a secret ingredient with Tabasco sauce. And then another secret ingredient that I'm gonna have you guys guess, because I don't think you're gonna guess it. So when you taste it, I'm gonna have you guess to see how your palates are.
I love that there's a twist.
I know, it's so fun. According to this bag, you take 2 1/4 cup of water to boil. Whoa-ba. I thought all carbs were bad, but it turns out just the refined ones. Yeah.
Why all we can? This is haunting. It's okay, we're getting there.
Woo! Just drinking my wine and chilling. This is how I like to cook. I like other people do the work. I drink my wine.
I'm just really sad about the aquafaba that's being lost.
I didn't realize
Oh my god, this can opener.
This is a brilliant idea. Nothing could possibly go wrong. I'm very glad you guys are not actually intoxicated playing that big night.
Got it. Get this camera some Adderall because she's This is so chaotic.
Looks done. Burned my hand.
So now we're going to boil our chickpeas because personally I don't like crunchy roasted chickpeas.
What you doing?
Draining the chickpeas. It's very dangerous.
The rice is going in this nice silver bowl.
And as you can see, we have a nice coating of rice at the bottom. That is a good sign. So we'll have rice-infused chickpeas.
Ooh, or chickpea-infused rice.
So as much as I do have faith in this beautiful dressing, it's very important that you season every element. So we're adding cumin, red pepper, and garlic powder to our chickpeas.
You know I want some garlic. What is cumin exactly? Like, where does it come from? What is it?
Dude,
Cumin plant?
I love that we're cooking on the floors when you don't have counter space in New York City.
and what did I tell you? Rice-infused chickpeas. It's actually like the best way to get rice off the bottom is to just cook something else in the pot. Look at it. It's great now. That's my cooking tip.
Oh my gosh.
Uggiest avocado.
Have sweet potato fries today.
So I forgot the rice. Oh, but I refuse to take full responsibility.
I feel like I'm at a ceremony.
Food is always a ceremony with us. With my sultry voice.
My leg was twisted.
Oh gee.
You comfortable?
For sure, I don't know. Oh. So, how was your experience cooking with us?
I didn't really do much of the cooking. I just got to drink wine. It was really fun.
What you did was behind the scenes, you know?
I did make the salad dressing that took like an
Yes.
hour.
Exactly. That's like the integral part. That's what brings it together. This
Okay.
would just be flavorless without it.
Let's see if we can guess the secret ingredient. Lemon.
No, lemon is.
Lemon was one of the.
It's not. It's a non-secret. It's,
Yeah.
Ginger.
Nope.
Maple syrup.
You got it! Wow! Congratulations, Nadia! You win the award of knowing that you have a good sense for flavors, but also have fun. But it's like
This is really good dressing.
I'm obsessed.
It's so good.
this dressing. Like I feel like I'm proselytizing a religion because like I spread this to all my friends.
So good.
I'm just trying to feel like more is.
Okay, you're right. I'm almost right. No one likes a Taurus.
I think that everyone likes Tauruses.
I do enjoy Jules.
I feel like
The
they're
ones
one
I
of the
don't like are
least-
Virgos.
If you had to describe your coming out process in 5 objects, words, or phrases, what would you say?
Twitter, drama, fighting, pride, and bad bitchery. Just one word.
That's good. That's good.
It was a funny story.